Well, hello, and welcome to Omar's Garage. Today, we're going to be figuring out how to fix the program buttons for the seats on my Porsche Macan Turbo. All right, so I'm having an issue where the set button doesn't work. It's supposed to light up. When I push the one button, it'll, the two button will move the mirrors, but the seats won't move. So to solve that, you're supposed to just move the seats in all of the directions. So we're gonna go ahead, move it all the way forward. All the way back. As far as it'll go. I don't know if you need to do the seat back, but I'm going to do it just in case. All the way forward. All the way down. All the way back up. Get back in and see what happens. Looks like the light's on now. So you can't tell, but the light is on now. So we're gonna go ahead and move all the seats. Once we move all the controls, it looks like it reset everything. So I'm gonna move my seat back down. Forward. Set one. All right, so we did it. We reset that. All right, as you can see, it's a quick fix. Well, it took a little time to get the controls, but once I set all of the different, settings, the seat all the way forward, the seat all the way back, the backrest all the way back, all the way forward, the bolsters, once I did everything, it seemed to reset the entire system. And now my set button, which wasn't working before, and my both of the buttons, it would move the mirrors, but it would, and the steering wheel, but the seat wouldn't move. So now that I've gone and reset the seat by doing that procedure, then all of that's working. Now I can get back in the car and all my settings will be, back to where they were as it was before. So hopefully that helped you out. Kind of a weird issue, but I guess you just have to reset, the seat. But if it helped you out, please go ahead and, subscribe, share, like, if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you at the next one. You all take care and stay safe.